Hey Seawolves, did you know Stony Brook students now have access to Adobe Creative Cloud through the Remote Sync site? Let's check out how to enable the Remote Sync site so that you are back to creating in no time. In order to access the Remote Sync site, you will need to set up two-step authentication with a Duo account. In order to do this, let's access the Remote Sync site page by following the link on your screen. On the left side of the page under Requirements, click on this link to fill out the request form. Remember that account requests take 24 to 48 hours, so if you have a deadline, make sure to create the account ahead of time. So once you fill out this form, just click Submit, and then you will get an email letting you know that your account has been approved. Once your account request is approved, Duo will prompt you to add another device so that when you log onto the Remote Sync site through your computer, you will be prompted to authenticate this login on an alternate device. The most common way to do this is to download the Duo app on your mobile device. Duo will walk you through this once your account is approved. If you are using a Mac, there is an additional step to setting up the Remote Sync site. Navigate to the App Store and install Microsoft Remote Desktop for free. So all you have to do is search Microsoft Remote Desktop, and then you will download it right here. Now that you are prepared, head back to the Remote Sync site page and choose from any of these available machines by scrolling down and clicking Connect on the right-hand side. The file will download to the bottom left corner of your screen, and you can click on it to open. The first thing that you will be prompted to do is enter your NetID and NetID password. So if you're using a Mac computer, you can do this as you normally would by entering your NetID and NetID password. However, if you are using a Windows computer, you may be prompted to enter the domain as well. So the domain in this case would be sunysb.edu/, and you would enter it this way. Once you have entered your NetID and NetID password, click on Continue. An authentication alert will be sent to the second device you registered with your Duo account. On my mobile phone, I will see that I have one request waiting. I will tap on it, and then I will tap Approve. Once I tap Approve, my login will continue. Next, you will receive a certificate message. If your file is from a trusted source, you can click on Continue. In this case, it is from a trusted source, so we will click Continue. A notice from Duo will appear on the screen, and you can hit OK. Notice that this screen looks really similar to what you would see on a regular Sync site computer. That's because it is a real Sync site computer. The difference between the virtual and remote Sync sites is that for the remote Sync site, you are directly connecting to a physical Sync site machine. This is why Creative Cloud is available. You can also expect faster response times for statistical applications such as MATLAB. To access any applications, click on the search icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Remember, the Remote Sync site contains all of the functions of a physical Sync site computer because it is one. So that means whenever we want to search, all we have to do is type in the application that we're looking for. So for example, I'm going to type in Illustrator, and you'll see we have Adobe Illustrator. I can also search for MATLAB. So whatever you're looking for, just use the search bar down here and you'll be able to access it. If you have any questions, visit the FAQ page for either Mac or Windows devices. The FAQ page is located at the bottom of the Remote Sync site page, and you can find this link again on your screen. If you still need help, contact Customer Engagement and Support by calling the number listed or by visiting the link on your screen and submitting a help ticket. Thanks for watching this video, and enjoy using the Remote Sync site.